Right, so welcome to Selenium training. Today is the first day, right? And I'll first start with various frequently asked questions. Fine. And before I start, I'll tell you few things that how we can interact during the course. If you move your mouse to the top of the window, you'll see a you'll see a sorry, you'll see a small window coming up, right? And what you can do is that you can click on that and you can unmute yourself from there, okay, right, and ask a question. Or you can also use the chat option available. If you move your mouse to the top of the window, you'll see the chat option, right? Or you can use Skype as well. I am available on Skype. My Skype ID is QTP Selenium 1 numeric 1. Okay, so let's start with the training, and I'll start with the few frequently asked questions. The first question, obviously, which everybody would be thinking is, what are the course details? What all will be covering up in this course? I have categorized the course detail over here in short for the online training. Fine. These are the various parts. Okay, we'll be starting with the Java and all everything, and we'll be going over to concepts of interfaces, then of Java, then you'll start over with Selenium, right? So we'll also start the first Selenium program on the first day only, right? We'll gradually go to various other topics, find various exercises and all, and then the major goal is to go and make the framework. Okay, so the majority of the course will last for around 6 to 7 weeks, out of which around more than 3 weeks would be spent on part 13, which is about building frameworks. Okay, and there is some like it's written your responsibility. I'll tell you what this means. Right now, along with the course, okay, along with the course, you will get the access to the video tutorials which are mentioned on my website. Okay, if you, I think you all of you must have visited my website once, qtpselenium.com. hold on. Okay, hold on. So right, these are the course details mentioned on the website. There are total 44 modules which are listed on the website. Okay, look, in the online course it is next to impossible to cover so many things. Okay, I'll not be covering so many things. This is what I'll be covering. Okay, and hold on, Matt is not able to hear me. Okay, Matt, you are not in audio conference. Okay, so look, the thing is, in the this all will I'll be covering in the online course, and along with that I'll give you a username and password, a login ID with which you can access all the video tutorials. These are 44 pre-recorded video tutorials over 140 hours. They cover everything. You'll be getting access to the pre-recorded sessions as well. Okay, now along with the course, okay, along with the course, your responsibility, I've said, I'll be telling you that fine, before next class please go and watch the following module. Okay, before class, before the like grid, I would expect that after a certain period of time I'll tell you that fine, you have to study grid and you should be coming after studying grid to the class, you know, because it's so vast that it's tough for me to also explain everything in the class. Right, although we'll be studying TestNG and JUnit in the class as well over here in part 10, but I would expect you to watch the videos before coming to the class. So there are certain things which I would ask you to do. Okay, so this is about course details. This is about what I'll be covering up in the course. Fine, right, and guys, please don't call me on Skype. I am right now in a class. Just a minute. Alright, so that's great, right? My voice is okay now. I am having network issues since morning. Okay, I am really sorry for it. My voice broke. If my voice goes away for some time, don't worry, it will come back. My network actually is breaking for around a minute or so. I'll repeat stuff for you. Okay, so Matt, please join the meeting again. Hold on. You're not in audio conference, Matt. Okay, so fine. Alright, so this is about a brief about course. What we'll be doing, we'll be covering it in 6 to 7 weeks, right? Will I be getting videos along with the course. Yes, you'll get the access to the videos, right? Do I need to learn Java? Again, this is a very commonly asked question. Yes, you cannot do away with Java. I'll be teaching you Java. Along with that, I'll actually give you pre-recorded sessions on Java as well, right? So please follow Java carefully. Java is very important. Okay, right? Fine. Now, if you are a kind of person who has never done programming at all, okay, if you are from some other background, if you have not done programming in any language, you don't even know what a string is, what an integer is, then I would not suggest you to join the course directly, okay, because there have been instances that people joined earlier. Okay, so just a minute guys, Matt is having issue. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm guiding one person, he's not able to join the audio conference. Okay, so now over here, right, over here, you as I was telling you, if you are a person who has never done programming at all, okay, so you can buy the access to the videos first. You can get the access to all the video tutorials on the website, okay, watch them, get some background, and then join the training by paying the remaining fees. Okay, you don't have to pay for the course again, you just have to pay the remaining fees. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, don't join the training directly in case you are not at all aware of any programming, you have never done programming again. In case you are aware a little bit or something, this is for you. Alright, will I cover projects in the training? Yes, I'll be covering the framework part which I've done in the end. I'll be covering that is project only. Okay, how practical is the course? Well, it's very practical. I can assure you, you'll not be disappointed with it. Okay, I've been working in an automation since a very long time, and I'll tell you in and out of the complete tool. Okay, how can I clear an interview? Look, there is, again, this, everybody asks me this question. That's why I'm answering this, because this is what you people are here for. You expect following things from me. You have some doubts, and I think I can clear off all your doubts before starting the class. Okay, how can I clear an interview? Look, nobody can help you clear an interview, only you can clear an interview by practicing yourself. I can guide you, I as a trainer, I am training you, I can guide you, I can tell you this is done this way. Until or unless you don't go back and practice it, you'll never be able to learn anything. Okay, it will take around 2 months to clear an interview. I'll also give you a lot of interview questions and all, and I'll guide you for that. But you have to sit down and learn it yourself. Okay, yeah, Arun, you have some question, or anybody having any questions? Anybody having any questions? Okay, clear. Right, so now I'm sorry. Okay, how much time will it take to learn this tool? Look, learning this tool is very easy. Okay, learning this tool is very easy, but it takes around 2 months. Okay, right, there is no magic wand or nothing. You can learn it in 15 days as well, but to learn it to a level where you can clear an interview, okay, it takes around 2 months very easily. Okay, right, to become an expert it takes time. Will I cover ID in the course, Selenium ID? I'll not cover it, and I'll tell you in few minutes why I'll not cover it. Okay, I don't teach ID in online training. It's not a very useful tool. Okay, fine. Beyond these questions, anybody having any other question, please ask me. Please feel free to ask. First 2 classes are trial classes. The course will be on Saturdays and Sundays. 2 hours on Saturdays, 2 hours on Sundays. Okay. Knowledge of QTP is good. If you know QTP, you have background of frameworks, you have background of how automation works, but don't think that learning this tool will be very easy if you know QTP. If you don't, it will be as good as not knowing QTP also. Okay, but having knowledge of QTP helps you understand basic things, which is always a good thing, right? Yeah. Anybody else? You can also type your question. In case you don't have a mic, you can use the chat option, or you can ping me on Skype. Okay, right? So anybody with any questions? Right, I'll stop the recording and I'll start the fresh recording. Okay, so that we actually start off with the course content we'll start off with the course in a fresh recording. And again, one last thing, the course is limited to 25 seats. 26th person cannot join the course. Okay, right? Around 11 people have paid for the course right now. All of you who have paid for the course, I request you to join 1 hour before the training starts. The login link is enabled for the paid members 1 hour before the training starts, so that you don't face the difficulty later on. Okay, right? And do you provide on-job support? Yes, we do provide it. If you're stuck somewhere, we have a forum where you can post your questions, or you can also post in Skype. Okay, right? So I'll stop